Hold on to your hats, tech enthusiasts. Google just dropped a bombshell, and it's Made by Google 2025 event, and we're here to spill the beans. But here's where it gets controversial. While some hail the Pixel 10 series as a game changer, others argue it's more of an incremental upgrade. Let's dive in and you decide. Google's annual extravaganza unveiled a slew of new gadgets, including the highly anticipated Pixel 10 series, Pixel Watch 4, and Pixel Buds 2a. And this is the part most people miss. Beyond the hardware, Google's pushing the boundaries of AI integration and smartphone interactivity. Pixel 10 series, evolution, not revolution. Google's Pixel 10 lineup comprises 4 models: Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro XL, and the foldable Pixel 10 Pro Fold. Unlike previous generations, this series isn't a complete overhaul, but rather a refinement of the Pixel 9's foundation. So, Pixel 10 boasts a 6.3-inch Actua display, 12 GB RAM, and 5x optical zoom. Priced at $799, it comes in Obsidian, Indigo, Frost, and Lemongrass. Pixel 10 Pro features a 6.3-inch Super Actua display with 3300 nits brightness, 16 GB RAM, and 30-hour battery life. Starts at $999 in Obsidian, Moonstone, Porcelain, and Jade. Pixel 10 Pro XL shares Pro specs, but with a 6.8-inch display starting at $1,199. Pixel 10 Pro Fold, the foldable standout with a 6.4-inch outer and 8-inch inner display, IP68 rating, and a gearless hinge. Priced at $1,799 in Moonstone and Jade. All models run on the Tensor G5 chipset, promising 60% more power, and offer 30-hour battery life, Gemini AI support, and 7 years of updates. Chapter 8. AI and Design Innovations. Google's doubling down on AI with Magic Q, a proactive assistant that anticipates your needs. For instance, it'll display flight details during airline calls. Bold move or privacy overreach? So you be the judge. Pixelsnap, Google's answer to MagSafe, introduces magnetic accessories like chargers and stands. Is this a long-awaited Android feature or a belated catch-up? Pixel Buds 2a and Watch 4. The Pixel Buds 2a offers active noise cancellation and 20-hour battery life for $130, available in Hazel and Iris. The Pixel Watch 4 features a larger, brighter display, 40-hour battery, and repairable design, starting at $350. Thought-provoking question. With foldable phones and AI assistants becoming mainstream, are we sacrificing simplicity for innovation? Share your thoughts below.